Tonight's video features Omi. It does. She took us around her neighborhood, showed us all the beautiful dogwoods, some of the other things that are blooming in her neighborhood. But the last time I went to see her, I took a little bit of video, I think, of her tulips, and I don't know if I'll find that or not, but she took some of her tulips just a few days ago, and then her phone wouldn't record anymore, so she couldn't finish out her video, and it kind of bothered her, but we got that fixed today. So while I'm letting you hear my rain, I'm going to show you Omi's beautiful tulips.
Good afternoon, my sweet munchkins. I thought I'd come out and take a video from all these pretty flowers. Well, the tulips are still pretty. There's some over here. Let me see. There's yellow ones. They begin to leave, I noticed that. Of course, we've been having some cool nights. And these little purple flowers, I don't know what they're called, but it seems like they're fading out. So I thought I better go ahead and do a video while some things are still blooming. And here's the dogwood tree, and it came out pretty good. It's old, and I'm amazed how pretty it still turned out to be. That's right close to my driveway. Isn't that pretty? I love dogwoods. Just look at them. The blooms, they're still pretty. Okay, here's my the other dogwood, and it's old too. It's as old as this house, and I think it's hanging on really well. You see, one side, I don't know, I'm gonna keep it as long as it has blooms. This year, I believe at one time, the frost got a hold of it. It's not quite as pretty it has been, but I'm thinking, sweet people, I thought I was filming, and guess what?
Yeah, every year I say, I'm going to get some tulips planted, and guess what? I think I did one year, and it wasn't enough, and they didn't make it. The sun's actually trying to come out, and Omi's dogwood is waiting for her. It's still blooming, what's left of it. Ours got choked up by poison ivy forever ago, but Omi's is still blooming. Now she'll just get back. Yeah, she's actually coming back, if nothing prevents her from doing it, in the next couple of days. And but anyway, you can tell that one part of the video, getting sidetracked, her phone shut off. So she went out today because it wasn't raining yet. Not like it is, I know, laugh at me, like it is here. And she showed us some more beauty in her neighborhood. And she signs us off. So, on back to Omi.
Good afternoon, my sweet munchkins. Before I take a stroll, I came into my flower room, and I had to show you my pots. Just look here. I replanted these plants out of one pot. Can you believe this? Out of one pot. I've got 4 pots. I couldn't believe it. No wonder they were tilting over. So I hope I rescued all my plants. They're looking good. I cannot believe this. When I had this one pot, it was just a small plant. And it thought, it's not going to grow. Let me tell you, once it started, and I gave my love to him, I talked to him, and just look here. 4 pots. Isn't that awesome? Okay, sweet people, my munchkins, I'm going to go outside and see what I can get into. Love you all. Bye-bye. Here I am, sweet munchkins. I'm going to take a stroll. The sun is bright. It's beautiful out here. Just look at how do you like my shirt? Isn't that sweet? It's nice. Okay, I'll see you in a few. I'm going to start my stroll. Okay, sweet munchkins, my wonderful friends, I have to show you. This is the part of my butterfly bush we saved. And I hope it will do good this year. Part of it, most of it's been cut off, but we saved part of it. It looked nice. And here I am starting my stroll to the neighborhood. Okay, first again, I'll show you all my critters. I will find me another one, a new one again soon. But look, there's one thing about it, they're not leaving me. They're here supporting me because they know they make me happy. Yes, we all have to have a smile in our heart and smile and give a smile for someone else. I think my neighbors enjoying these critters too. So far, some of them told me before. And then somebody came to the house the other day and he said, where'd you get all these critters? And I told them from here and there. I told them name some places and he enjoyed them. So see, people do pay attention. This is a new flower we got from our great-grandson Bradley. Isn't that pretty? It's a rose. I love it. There's the rooster crows. I love roosters. Okay, look here. Here's some little creature on the tricycle. And here's my sweet gnome. I need to fix that just a little bit. Look. Gnome, sweet gnome. I'm going to arrange some of them later. But right now, they have to do, the yard looks pretty green. It will be mowed tomorrow. And look at this large tree. This is a maple tree. Just look, huge. It was just a baby when we first planted it. Whoop. Sweet munchkins, I almost lost my phone. I barely could hold on to it. So I hope the pictures took. And I want to take a few more videos from the dogwood trees. They're still blooming. I love them. This is gonna be the Rose of Sharon again when they start blooming. Just look, tall, tall. I have to go to the front. The back is a little bit bare. They're getting old, but hanging on. We're getting older, I guess. We're hanging on, right? That's supposed to be. That's life. And that's where are these trees. They say we're hanging on for Mama. She loves us. Just look. Isn't that sweet? Okay. Here I'm taking the stroll. Just look. My neighbor's dogwood. Some of those trees are high, tall. And here's my friend's house. Okay. You see what I can find. More blooming bushes. Everything looks so green. See how tall these bushes, these trees. Here's my other neighbor. Let me see, who are you? I'm back, sweet people. Here's another tree. My neighbor's house. On here I run across more. Just look how beautiful. That even makes the neighborhood look so much better. Just look. Look how pretty. It is beautiful. See all these dogwoods. They're gonna last a little longer and they be leaving. They be leaving. Then something else gonna kick in and gonna bloom. Okay, there's one more on this others. Oh, look here, azalea bush. Isn't that pretty? I used to have azalea bushes, but they always died. I might try again, another one. That's beautiful. Oop, oop, oop. Here's another pretty scenery with a tree. I can never remember that vine, sweet people. And I can't Google it right now, and I have to move on. Maybe you can look it up once you see the picture. Oh, I cannot believe it. Oh, that is awesome. What about that? It shows my picture on my shirt. I'm showing you all these pretty trees now. These are beautiful. They're tall and green. I love nature. And the grass is going really good here. Look how green the grass is. Here's another pretty scenery. Okay, my sweet people. I just came back into the house a few minutes ago. I walked the neighborhood. I had a lot of fun. I ran into some friends. And I hope all the videos I took is going to be awesome for you sweet munchkins. And I thought I better tell you bye. I have to fix something to eat. But like I said, it was an adventure to walk and put the sun out. And as soon as I got back home, it started raining again. But I enjoyed it. I ran into a friend I used to work with, and it was all worth it, sweet people. Munchkins. I love you all. You have a good afternoon. I know I don't look too hot, but I'm sweating at the moment. So I better hush. I can keep on talking. I know you like to see my face, right? Bye-bye, sweethearts. Sweethearts, munchkins. Mwah. I love you.